We're gonna go from boring, outdated 1980 something vanity base to something really beautiful.
Watch Refinish Pro Pat Golinski restore kitchens, bathrooms, muscle cars, guitars, and everything in between right here, right now on Resurface Specialist.
And just like that, we're done. You wanna see what just refacing can do? There you go, that's our super matte gray finish in a raised panel door with raised panel drawer fronts. We reskin the boxes even around the corner here so it looks like a brand new box, but without having to put in a brand new box. That is what I do. Refinish tubs, tile countertops, and reface cabinets. Let's make it look new without spending all that dough. Put that money back in your pocketbook. Thanks for watching. Thanks for sharing.